Hi friends, this is Amlan Devnath, your instructor for today's class. Friends, in the previous video, in one portion, I had showed you how to use the repr function in a class to represent all the values together. Now, in this video, I will show you an alternate method that can be used instead of repr function to represent all the values together. Now, let us have a small recap. See, in this one, the class, we have our four instance variables: first name, last name, class number, and roll number. And all these values they are getting from these arguments. This student one is an instance that is created from this student data type. So let us print the student one and see what it is representing. See, it is representing the student objects instance at some memory address. Now we need to get the correct values, right? For doing so, we can just pass the instance variable name which we need to get. Print first name. See, we're getting Tony. Print first name, and also if you want student last name, we will get Tony Clinton. So in this way also you can get the variable details. But if we want to get the whole details altogether, we need a separate function so that it can be used when I call only the variable name, the student one. So that one should be def underscore repr representation function, which will take the self as an argument and it will return as a string value. So here we can see that first name, last name reads in class and having roll number. So if I now call this variable just like others, so we should be getting this line. See, Tony Clinton reads in class 5 having roll number 1. We can do the same for another variable student 2. Tony Clinton reads in class 5 having roll number 1. David Zakaria reads in class 5 having roll number 2. Now, other than this repr function, we also have another function which will be returning the string value. This is def str self return str function. Now let me show you which one gets the priority first. If you are having both the repr and str in the same class, which one gets the priority? See, the str function in the student class is getting priority here. So if we pass this value and if we remove this one, we can see str function will get more priority than the repr one. Tony Clinton reads class 5 having roll number. If we are calling student 1, then the str one is getting the priority. If we comment out this one and now call, you see this repr is getting called. But if we are using both, then str will get the priority. So these are the two methods which you can use in a class to represent the values according to your needs. If you need only a particular instance variable, you can ignore this. But if you need all the variables directly while you call the instance altogether, then you need to use either repr or str. Thank you. Meet you in the next class. Stay happy.